What's going on, everybody? Has this ever happened to you? You're driving and your water bottle rolls off your freaking seat. It happens to me all the time on the way to work, whenever I'm in my car, but then I found this bad boy. This thing is so sweet, it's a game changer. What is it? It's a freaking car hook. You can hang your water bottle so it doesn't roll off the seat. I had to share this because this is so sweet. I mean, it was a game changer. I mean, it looks like I got some kind of a water bottle as my passenger, but still, you can hang your shirt, your jacket, you can hang a book bag, and I even hang my son's water bottle right off of it as well. If you found this information that I've given you helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and like, but I had to share. Oh, and also, it comes in a 4-pack, not too shabby, and not to mention the price. It's only $4.99. What else can I say? Man, that's sweet.